Welcome back to another episode of Bluff City Rub.
Today we're going to be cooking bacon wrapped onion bombs. Not only are they bacon wrapped, they're stuffed with bacon. Onions, jalapenos, cheese. Hit it with a few layers of flavor. A little Bluff City Rub, a little BBQ sauce.
So we're cooking onion bombs on the PK today. I love the way the PK cooks. I can't wait to get these onion bombs on the PK grill.
We'll be setting up that PK for an indirect cook. We're more like smoking on the PK today. We'll be cooking around 250 for about 2.5 hours.
I'm gonna put some Bluff City Grub layers of flavor, some onion bombs.
I'm Joe.
I'm Greg.
Roll the intro.
Smoked onion bombs. They sound delicious. I can't wait to try them. So Joe, are these things, are they actually easy to prepare, or are they a little bit difficult? Labor intensive maybe? I don't know.
I tell you what, probably the biggest thing, Greg, is coring out the onions, but we're going to be giving you our tips to make that a very simple process. I'll be cooking with Greg. You're difficult to cook with.
No, I'm not. I'm not. So with the onion bombs today, we're going to be using hickory.
Hey, we don't have hickory. We got either peach or plum.
That's what you got right here, hickory pellets.
Yeah, we don't have pellets either. It's not a pellet grill.
What are we cooking with? We're going to be cooking our bacon wrapped onion bombs with peach wood today. Peach or plum. Peach, plum, who cares? We're going to smoke them. We're going to smoke these onion bombs to perfection.
All right, Greg, we're going to be making onion bombs on the grill today. These will be bacon wrapped stuffed onions. First thing we're going to do is take a look here at the root end. We're going to cut that off. That's going to give us a nice flat place for it to grill on. We're going to come up here and get the top half, go straight down. Now I found this to be the easiest way to hollow out an onion. Just cut an inverted cone in the top. Once you get all the way around, the core of the onion will just pop out. Now I found this to be the best thing to do. Just get you a melon baller and just hollow out the onion. Spoon works good, but a melon baller's a whole lot easier to work with. And we don't want to go too thin with this onion. We make sure we don't put any holes in the onion. There we go. All right, Greg, we've got our onions hollowed out for our onion bomb recipe. First thing we're gonna do is brown everything up. Taking all of the onions that we've cut out, we're gonna dump that in. Got one large jalapeno, or maybe two small jalapenos, and 1 pound of chopped bacon. A little bit of layers of flavor from Bluff City. Got a little salt, pepper, garlic here. You can find that in the recipe below. We're gonna put about a tablespoon in here. When we say it's just starting to brown, we're talking about the bottom of the pan here. We're ready to go ahead and transfer this to our stuffed onions. It's going to become our stuffed onion bacon bomb. All right, we're fixing to stuff our onion bombs here. If you'd like, this would be a perfect time to stuff them with cheese. Throw some cheese in here, do some cheese stuffed onion bacon bombs. What we're going to do is just go ahead and fill up each onion. The next thing to these onion bombs is go ahead and wrap them in bacon. Just gonna make them bacon wrapped onion bombs. I like to put the toothpick in first. And I'll just take my bacon and go over the toothpick, wrap it around, hit the same toothpick. As you just said, Greg, you can't have too much bacon, so we'll go double bacon wrapped onion bombs.
I like it.
Yeah. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of peach here. Setting this up for an indirect cook. One thing we'll do is, since we have our heat on this side, as always, we'll open up our opposite vent for the airflow out, and we'll open the bottom vent opposite for the airflow in. We got our PK set up for an indirect cook around 250, 260. That's what we're looking for. Right, we're gonna go ahead and get our onion bomb set up for an indirect cook. Now I got a surprise for you. We had a few extra pieces of bacon, so we went on ahead and just left them there. Go ahead and smoke the extra pieces of bacon with it. Now at Bluff City, one thing we're known for is layers of flavor, so we're going to go ahead and hit these with a little Bluff City Rub. So we're going to go to about 250 for around 2 hours. We've been cooking for about an hour, 250. And you can tell this bacon started to change colors, looking good. But as always, we hit this little few layers of flavor. We hit it with the salt, garlic, pepper earlier, but now we want to go ahead and hit it with our Bluff City Rub. That'll be in the recipe below. And this guy's getting close. But another hour, we'll be able to finish it off.
Oh my God, they look so good.
All right, we've been going about 2 hours here on these things, and they are looking good. We got our peppers out of the way here. So last thing we want to do is put about 2 tablespoons of cheese on each onion bomb. All right, now we're gonna brush our onion bombs with barbecue sauce here. We're just gonna take about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce on top. We're just gonna spread it around.
Will you stop moving around, Jesus? Let me get a shot.
All right, we're gonna let this glaze set. All right, for about 2 hours. Then we topped it with cheese and barbecue sauce. Go ahead and set that glaze for about 30 minutes. And this is what we ended up with here. We're ready to take these guys off and get ready to eat, Greg. How you feel about these?
Yeah, they look delicious.
All right.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Oh, these things are so fat, I need a bigger set of tongs. And that's what I'm gonna have to do. Get a bigger set of tongs. All right, Greg, now I got a bigger set of tongs. Should work out fine. Let me get up.